This hot tea has more mass now than when it cools by the end of this video. First off, what is mass? You might know it as the amount of matter. However, that's a rough outline of what mass really is. The mass of something is not just the sum of the parts making it up. If the sum of the parts of two objects is the same, doesn't mean that the overall mass will be the same. Same case with my tea. It had more mass when it was hot due to the greater kinetic energy of the moving water molecules at a higher temperature. Does that mean energy is part of the total mass? Yes, and in fact, if you take the equation in the form m equals E over c squared, you could find this extra mass. But we are dividing by the speed of light, squared. So this extra mass will be very minute to be detected by scales. Take this. If a flashlight is switched on while on a scale, the reading will decrease with time because the electrochemical energy in the battery, lost as light energy, had manifested itself as part of the total mass. That was mass. Now let's look at energy in this form of the equation here, where E is for energy, m is for mass, P is for momentum, which is velocity times mass. Think of it now as something all moving objects possess. C for the speed of light. It's the constant in the equation and it remains the same no matter how you look at it. No matter how I move relative to you, the speed of light will remain the same. It's a big number, so the energy will be a humongous value. For massless moving particles like photons, the equation can simply be E equals Pc. And if the mass was at rest, then E equals mc squared. And voila, there you have it. Does that mean mass is converted to energy? If so, why are we changing all the mass to energy? Good question. No, mass is not converted to energy and energy is not converted to mass. Energy and mass are the same thing, hence the equal sign. You see, mass is this property that all energy exhibits, just like warmth is a property of my tea. The mass of the sun drops by about 4 billion kilograms per second as it emits light. The light energy released is not mass being converted to energy, but kinetic and potential energies in the sun being transformed into light energy. The key idea is that the universe in essence is but the regulation of energy. Mass is just another way of storing energy.